Looks like the train is slowing down. There's green and red, green and yellow. It looks like it. It definitely looks like it, guys. Look how slow it's going now. We've got 812 passing slowly. 812. And we've got A1, 8141 going out. The reason why 812 is going very slow because also, guys, there's a very sad thing to say because the Leamington service is no longer stopping at Granville because of a signaling problem. Look, it's 8141. It is.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to City Circle via
Yeah, A12's gonna stop. A12's gonna stop. I can see. There's a signaling issue right here right now. I'm sure there is.
Ashfield, Newtown, Redfern, Central, Town Hall.
Yeah, it's gonna stop. Yeah, it's gonna stop. It's gonna stop. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's stopped. We've got B27. Trying to do my best to not get anyone on the camera. Cannot avoid them. I just gotta avoid them so I don't get anything on camera. B27. One of the new second batch B sets on platform 4. The busy service. So we first Clyde, then Maryland. Due to something happened at Granville, this train is no longer so big at Granville, sadly.
The stop for the 851.
Listen. First up, Clyde, Maryland. B27 is now departing platform 4. A12 is still there. It's been sitting there for like almost 5 minutes. Yeah, the signals here are broken. Alright, A12's gonna move. The signal just changed. It's gonna move now. It's just waiting for just to clear. So A12 is leaving. The next stop is Parramatta. Yeah, I feel sorry for A12. I feel very sorry. Honestly, A12 is gonna be delayed. A12 is very delayed. Sorry for A12, whoever's on there. I honestly feel so bad. The customers on there are delayed now. It's almost like very delayed. Run. Water. 837. Oh, look at the freight passing platform 2. There's straight on the other side passing platform 2. A37 going faster. A37 go brrrr. Bye. A56. A56 is in a rush right now. They're running late. Oh my god, I love A56 already. That another drag switch mount. Chill out, A56. Don't rush. Take your time. A54 passing platform 1. Central Valley Lickham. I ran all the way here because it was about to pass. I've got another serviceman, Oscar H53, passing platform 4. Oh, really rare. I'm scared to see on platform 4. There's a 4 car. Golden serviceman Oscar. This is a really rare night. Let's see an Oscar running through this line. We got some freight past Auburn. Shout out to those freight fans. we got some Wagyu and some rice. I think that over here is going back to on the left. Oh, yeah, this is Stop it, scared me so far. God, my language there, oh my god. Come on, Fred, why is this so long? Why is it so damn long? A V-set, passing number one. A V-set passing number one. V21, the last V-set, the newest V, and the oldest V-set, I mean. I keep getting confused with what V21 is for a minute. V21 is going very fast. We've got V25, the first second batch. Yeah, there's a lot of dilemmas going on right now, guys. I'm very sorry for what's happened. We're seeing a lot of second batch basic set. This is really rare. I feel like this is going to be the number one rare video since I'm filming a lot of rare batch B sets. Coming to Auburn, T7. Tangara goes, zoom in like a Sonic. T41 is a rehab. I'm not too sure where it's going. And B25 is the party. Goodbye B25, good luck to Parramatta. Hopefully I wish you luck B25. Have fun. We've got B9, my stalker set, arriving on platform number 3. I've got to face about from 4 now because there's a train coming.
The train on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop Lidcombe, then Flemington, Homebush, Strathfield, Burwood, then all stations to Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James, and Music.
We've got B1, the delayed first batch B set, arriving on platform number 4. I'm sure B1 was delayed because of it had testing problems and it took a bit of a while to get into service. Man, that was really sad afterwards, honestly. So let's face the B9. B9 will depart slowly due to under the red light. I feel so bad for B9, honestly. Lots of trains are delayed tonight. I'm so sorry for the driver and the guard. Any problem that's happened recently. In 3 minutes we'll get a B1, the delayed second batch the first batch reset. I'm sure it was. If I'm wrong, then help me out in the comments. B1 is departing. First stop is Clyde Granville. I'm sure it's Granville this time. It's got to be Granville. It's got to be Granville this time. This time I'm hoping it's Granville. Alright, other side. We've got K75. My favorite K sets. Woohoo! Finally seeing K sets after a really long time. C3525, repeated number, K75. Now I do know this is not K74 because K74 like basically now would have all S set windows. There's a guy on the train. K86. Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh my god, these girls on me. A32 passing platform 1. Can't train because I've got to go now, guys. A32 go vroom vroom vroom.